Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So today we are solving for Madras School of Economics 2025 series question and we are on question 32. So what is there? Which of the following is not part of the economic reforms of 1991? So what are the questions? Liberalization, what are the options rather? Liberalization of FDI and foreign equity, liberalization of gold imports, liberalization of labor law or trade liberalization from reduction in import tariffs. So the economic reforms of 1991, economic reforms of 1991. So here it was a series of policy change aimed at liberalizing and restructuring the Indian economy and to integrate it more. So what are the reforms included? So first it is the liberalization. We have to choose the correct answer. So let us know liberalization of FDI and foreign equity is what? This states that FDI is allowed in the Indian markets and relax restrictions on FDI. This was for first terminology. Second, liberalization of gold imports. What is that? This was aimed at reducing the demand for gold smuggling and for controlling the current account deficit. So current account deficit. And then trade liberalization. What is that? So it is through the reduction of import tariffs. Once you reduce that, this was aimed at reducing trade barriers and encouraging global competition. But labor law were not significantly reformed in the 1991 economic reforms. Labor law reforms have been a topic of discussion and reform in later years, but not for 1991. So you can say the correct answer for this is liberalization of labor law because it were not part of the economic reforms of 1991. All those in economic reforms were the part of 1991 except option C. Best of luck students for your examination and do tell us if you need any further clarification or any topic, any explanation.